Hello everyone, today we will learn how to upgrade, downgrade or subscribe the plans on the platform of BotPenguin. First of all, from the home page on the left hand side you will see the subscription panel. Just click on there and here you will see that all the plans are available displayed on the screen. Here you can see your currently active plan. Now to downgrade to a particular plan you have to click on this free plan button, and here you have to click on this button downgrade to free plan, and your plan will be downgraded to a free plan. Now if you want to upgrade to a plan, here you can see a range bar to select the messages that you want. By selecting the number of messages, just click on this button of change plan and clicking on how much you want as per your need, the number of messages per year. You can select the amount and click on this. Now you have to pay and your plan will be upgraded. Similarly, these all plans are for the website bot, Telegram bot and other bot that we are providing, but for the WhatsApp bot we have a different section of pricing. Here you can see these all are same. You can see your currently active plan and you can also downgrade your plan by clicking on this free plan button. Thank you very much.